Biological drugs promise to solve major medical challenges: antimicrobial resistance, cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and genetic disorders. Achieving impact from innovation requires addressing high manufacturing costs and overcoming accessibility barriers. Making biological drugs widely accessible is a core focus at JAFRAL. Every day, our team refines production to be leaner, more flexible, and cost-effective, while maintaining top-tier quality standards, reapproved annually by the EMA, FDA, and TGA. Since 2011, our mission has been to advance biologics from concept to clinic. We offer scalable solutions for all biologics, from small clinical batches to full manufacturing. With GMP-compliant facilities and rigorous processes, we ensure that every step, from development to final product, meets the highest industry standards. Trust begins with traceability. From secure warehouse storage to controlled cleanroom transfers, every step is carefully monitored to ensure product integrity. Our bioreactors scale up to 200 liters, ensuring consistent, high-quality biological material. From research cell and virus banks to API manufacturing, quality control testing, to drug fill and finish, we handle the full process with precision. At JAFRAL, quality is built into every step. Our certified clean rooms, ranging from grade D to A, are fully validated for biological manufacturing. Each environment is built for biologics, ensuring safety, efficacy, and regulatory compliance at every stage. But even with advanced technology and precise processes, it's the people who make the difference. Our experts lead in innovation, refining every detail. This is science that connects people, ideas, and innovations. We aim to make next-gen therapies accessible to all. As a trusted CDMO, we don't just manufacture biologics, we help shape the future of medicine. JAFRAL, passion for biosolutions.